How to disable YouTube Shorts. Hey guys, today I'm going to do a video on how you can disable your YouTube Shorts on your desktop. Now, unfortunately, there's no set way how you can disable it on your phone, but I will share a way where you can just skip the shorts to the next video on your phone. Okay, but let's get back to the desktop version. You're going to go to your home page and you're going to scroll down to the shorts. Okay, and you'll see there's an X and you can just click on that. And you'll see the shelf will be hidden for 30 days. So for 30 days, you will not see your shorts. If you want to undo this, you can just click on the undo and you will see them again. So as I said earlier, you can't exactly disable shorts on your phone, but you can click the non-interested icon if you are not interested in the video. You can do this by scrolling down to shorts and clicking on the three dots on top of the short and clicking the non-interested option, and the video will be removed. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And if you know another way that shorts can be disabled on your phone, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section. So as